Governor Kim Reynolds breaking her silence on abortion legislation in Iowa since the overturn of Roe v. Wade. Reynolds intends to revisit past state abortion legislation, some she spearheaded and other put into motion by her predecessors. Local 5's Larissa Leone has more of the governor's focus, also reactions from a University of Iowa professor on what the governor is planning to review and the impact that could have on Iowa.
Stephanie, Governor Kim Reynolds is again pushing for a 24-hour waiting period and a ban to abortions at 6 weeks. Just hours ago, she announced she's asking the Iowa Supreme Court to take up the cases related to those previously passed laws, knowing the justices will take the U.S. Supreme Court ruling on Roe v. Wade into consideration. I spoke with a University of Iowa professor who specializes in women, gender, and sexuality studies about the breakdown of Reynolds' plans and what she believes that plan would mean for Iowans. Governor Kim Reynolds shares her plans on reviewing abortion legislation in Iowa after the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. First, Reynolds is asking the Iowa justices to rehear a case based on a law Reynolds signed putting in a 24-hour waiting period for women who want an abortion. This law was signed in 2020 but was put on pause after Planned Parenthood filed an injunction. The law was eventually blocked by a judge in Johnson County. Lina Maria Mario is an assistant professor at the University of Iowa who specializes in gender and sexuality studies. She says Iowa abortion's history has both supported and renounced an individual's access to abortion.
In 2018, Governor Kim Reynolds and the legislature introduced several bills. She signed them for various sort of waiting periods, right? 72 hours, 24-hour waiting periods. And these were struck down by the Iowa Supreme Court.
The second plan of review for Governor Reynolds is to work on getting Iowa courts to lift the injunction against her fetal heartbeat bill, which would ban abortions at 6 weeks. A district court judge struck down the heartbeat bill in 2019, citing a previous Supreme Court ruling in 2018. Marilo says it's those decisions made by Reynolds in the past making her have a firm opinion on what Reynolds' decisions are in the near future.
Now that Roe v. Wade is gone, sort of has opened the floodgates for a state like Iowa to institute an all-out ban on abortion, which is likely to come down here in the next few weeks, if not months.
The people sitting on the Iowa Supreme Court today is vastly different compared to back in 2018, where 4 justices were appointed by Republicans and 3 by Democrats. But that slowly changed, with today's court having 7 Republican-appointed justices. The lone Democrat-appointed Justice Bren Epple will retire next month, allowing Reynolds to make her 5th appointment to Iowa's High Court. Larissa Leone, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.